Sans Aribal, ang talagang pangalan niya, Sans Aribal, 2 words. It's coming from Italy. Italy means, Sans Aribal is walang kapantay. Yun ang.
Ilang oras pa bago magawa?
Ang yan, dalawang ang ginagawa yung kranses, yung parang patong-patong, 4 na patong yan. Tapos, ino-order yan. Tapos, yung that is made up of kasoy, sugar, and egg white. Oo, egg white. Tapos, yung pinaka-icing niyan, sugar and angko.